gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
Last year's Honor Magic V5 earned the nickname the Foldable with an almost invisible crease. So naturally, expectations are high for the new Honor Magic V6. What kind of upgrades does it bring to the table?
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
For media professionals and business users, frequent travel and on-site visits are part of everyday life. In those situations, a reliable smartphone becomes an essential tool, and battery life matters more than ever because charging opportunities aren't always available when you need them. That's why it's impressive to see Honor fitting a new generation 6850 mAh hydrogen helium battery into such an incredibly slim and lightweight foldable body. It's an achievement that seems to challenge the usual limits of design and engineering. And that's not even the most remarkable part. The 1 terabyte version pushes things even further with a massive 7150 mAh battery, setting 4 new industry records in the process. To put its endurance into perspective, with screen brightness set to 50%, 1 hour of online video playback on the inner display used only 6% battery. Spending an hour browsing Weibo consumed just 8%, while an hour of watching short-form videos also drained only 8%. After 3 hours of these everyday activities, battery consumption remained surprisingly low, making power anxiety practically a thing of the past. Even a demanding open-world 3D game played on the outer screen for 30 minutes used only 10% of the battery. For a typical workday, that level of efficiency is especially useful. After finishing a full day of visits and returning home, there was still roughly 1/3 of the battery left. When it was finally time to recharge, the Honor Magic V6 made the process quick and convenient. With support for 80-watt wired charging and 66-watt wireless charging, the battery can be topped up in no time. By the time I finished washing up, changing clothes, and getting settled after about a half hour, the phone was already close to a full charge again. Another thoughtful addition is the included 120-watt ultra-compact silicone nitride charging adapter. It supports fast charging for multiple devices, meaning travelers can carry a single charger and comfortably handle the power needs of all their digital equipment. Although 2026 has only just begun, unless something unexpected arrives later in the year, the Honor Magic V6 is shaping up to be the foldable smartphone with the strongest battery life. Of course, some people may wonder whether a foldable this thin can truly feel durable and premium. Honor seems completely confident in its answer. In fact, the company is so confident in the Magic V6 that it doesn't even ship with a factory-installed screen protector. Sharp-eyed users may also notice that both the inner and outer displays appear noticeably darker than many competing devices. There's a good reason for that. The outer display uses Honor's latest diamond-hard polysilicon glass, which delivers improved resistance to both drops and scratches. It also incorporates a unique 5600-layer silicone nitride tempered glass structure, with the tempered layer directly integrated into the display glass itself. The result is an industry-leading reflectivity of just 1.5%, creating an outstanding anti-glare effect. This becomes particularly noticeable when using the device outdoors, where the difference between a screen with anti-reflective technology and one without it is immediately obvious. The inner display also receives a significant upgrade thanks to a new generation of ultra-thin UTG glass that is both stronger and tougher. Creasing is kept to an absolute minimum, while the newly designed bridge-style hinge provides exceptionally flat support beneath the display. This design greatly reduces the opening gap and is one of the key reasons the Honor Magic V6's crease is barely noticeable. Beyond that, Honor's self-developed Luban Dungu steel hinge achieves an impressive yield strength of 2800 megapascals. To put that into context, the steel used in certain specialized components of the Shenzhou 21 spacecraft has a yield strength of around 2400 megapascals. In other words, Honor is using aerospace-grade materials at an exceptionally high level in this foldable. The durability of the hinge is so impressive that it is reportedly able to support the weight of an 80-kilogram adult on a zip line. That level of strength is rarely seen in the foldable category. For the first time, this Honor foldable also achieves a 4-meter water resistance rating, making it the most water-resistant foldable smartphone in the industry. It is further backed by IP68 and IP69 dust and water resistance certifications. Foldable smartphones have come a long way from the fragile and complicated devices they were once perceived to be. Whether under bright sunshine or in heavy rain, the Honor Magic V6 delivers the kind of durability and reliability users can confidently depend on.
After spending some time with it, I think the one word that best defines this device is productivity. At its core is the full-powered Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen5 processor, delivering flagship-level performance that ensures a highly efficient user experience. On top of that, Honor's self-developed full-coverage Woken imaging engine further enhances overall image processing capabilities. Throughout my testing, I never experienced any noticeable lag or slowdown. Even when I was handling a voice conference with a client, reviewing large documents, and running the UU Meeting Assistant at the same time, everything remained smooth and responsive. In demanding multitasking scenarios like these, the phone handled every task effortlessly. I also have to give special credit to the UU Meeting Assistant. It's one of the most complete meeting tools I've used. Not only can it accurately identify and separate different speakers, but it lets me add keywords to important discussion points, making it much easier to keep track of critical information. After the meeting ends, the generated summary is organized, easy to read, and surprisingly detailed, arguably better than many dedicated meeting recording applications available today. During lunch breaks, I often take advantage of the foldable display's natural strengths when checking financial information and stock market trends. Thanks to the 3-window multitasking experience, I can view 3 different stock market applications on the large screen simultaneously. Whether it's domestic market movements or global price changes, everything is visible at a glance. In professional communication, we frequently need to share documents with clients, and since people use different smartphone brands, compatibility becomes important. This is where Honor really stands out. It remains the only brand in the industry capable of seamless data transfer between Android devices and Huawei devices, making file sharing extremely convenient and efficient. Even when working with Apple products such as iPhones, Macs, or Windows PCs, all you need is the Honor Connect app together with Honor Super Workbench to enable fast and convenient file transfers. Honor Super Workbench takes things even further by allowing the Magic V6 to function as an external display for a MacBook. This effectively gives you a portable, high-quality second screen wherever you go. That's why Honor's foldable devices are much more than smartphones with large displays. By combining advanced hardware with deep software integration and cross-device connectivity, they deliver a major leap in productivity and efficiency. This is one of the key reasons Honor continues to lead the industry when it comes to the foldable screen experience. Moving on to photography, the Honor Magic V6 features a 64-megapixel periscope telephoto camera. In addition to its long-range zoom capabilities, it can also capture macro photos, making it easy to record intricate product details with excellent clarity. The phone also benefits from the industry's strongest image stabilization system, rated at CIPA 6.5. This powerful stabilization makes it much easier to capture sharp and impressive photos in everyday situations. What's truly remarkable is that despite packing all of these flagship-level features, the Honor Magic V6 still maintains an incredibly slim profile of just 0.875 millimeters and a lightweight design of only 219 grams. More importantly, those impressive dimensions don't come at the expense of the overall foldable experience. Honor hasn't sacrificed functionality, performance, or usability in the pursuit of thinness and portability. In the areas users care about most, including performance, battery life, charging speed, display quality, and imaging, the V6 reaches a generation-leading standard within the industry. This kind of leap forward perfectly showcases Honor's advanced research and development capabilities, delivering what can truly be called a fully realized foldable smartphone experience. Beyond the hardware,
Honor has also invested heavily in software optimization. The 3-screen multitasking interface feels smooth, intuitive, and easy to use, while its extensive compatibility with devices from multiple brands remains virtually unmatched in the industry. When it comes to productivity-focused features, it delivers some of the strongest performance available today. Looking ahead, there's a very good chance that the Honor Magic V6 will remain one of the best foldable smartphones you can buy throughout 2026. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!